Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Instacart. For that you need to open your app store and tap on your search button. There you need to type Instacart and tap on search button, and this is our Instacart. Just tap on get button and it will prompt you to double click in this area. That's our power button, and it will scan you for verification and it will start to look like this. You will see this kind of icon. That means it is being processed, and you can also tell it's being installed. And once you see open button, that I'll just show you in few seconds. Before that, let's just check its size. It's really small. It's really small in size, and that means it shouldn't consume a lot of your time, but it also depends upon network connection, how slow or fast it is. And if it is slow, it might take a few seconds or minutes, and if it is really fast, it will be just in a blink of an eye. And once you see open button in this area, just tap on that and use it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.